Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Motorola Vervebuds 200 with a laptop or PC on Windows. And to do this, first let's open Bluetooth settings on our laptop right here, and I'm gonna go for Start, then Settings, and here click on Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure that your Bluetooth is on and go for Add Device. Now we can move on to our Motorola Vervebuds. Open a case, remove both of the earbuds. They should instantly power on and enter pairing mode. But in case they don't, you might need to put them in your ears and hold these two buttons so that they power on, then power them off, and we can begin the pairing. So wait a second. So mine are powered off, and now what we need to do is to press on the power keys right here, and hold them until you hear 2 times Hello Moto. So mine just said Hello Moto 2 times. That means we can enter pairing mode by just powering them back on. It's kind of complicated, but yeah, that's how they work, sadly. So go for the Bluetooth now. And here we can see Vervebuds 200. Click on it and they will connect with your PC. Now only thing we have to do is to go for the sound mixer. Enter it in the settings and open the sound mixer options. Right here, make sure that the output device is Vervebuds 200, and then you can start listening through these earbuds. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.